Hey everyone, I just had to come on here and share my experience working with Allie, because honestly, she's amazing. I was looking for some natural UGC for my brand, and let's be real, it's hard to find someone who really gets it. But then I found Allie, and wow, she delivered exactly what I was hoping for, and more. Allie has earned the top-rated seller badge because she meets the highest standards and consistently delivers exceptional work. You can read her customer reviews by clicking the link in the video description. Her style is so genuine and down to earth. She doesn't come across as scripted or salesy, just totally real. And that's exactly what makes her content so powerful. People don't want to be sold to. They want to feel like they're getting a recommendation from a friend. That's what Allie does so well. She took the time to understand my product and made everything feel so effortless. The video felt completely natural, like something you just stumble on while scrolling, but at the same time, it was super clear, engaging, and on brand. If you're thinking about UGC ads and want content that actually connects with people, you need to hire Allie Madison. Seriously, and she's a total pro, and I'm already planning my next video with her. Click on the link in the video description and compare packages or send her a request to order.